Hey there! By the end of this video, you will be a letter C champion. This is the letter C. Can you say C? Great job. C makes a sound like this. K. Can you try saying K? Great job. Let's look at some words that start with the letter C. Here is a cat. And a car. And look, a cupcake. Yummy. Can you think of any other words that start with the letter C? Great job. Now let's learn how to write the letter C. Start at the top and curve around just like this. Can you try drawing a C in the air with your finger? You can trace the C right on the screen. Great job. C is also for colors and counting. Let's count some colorful crayons together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you name the colors? Red, blue, yellow, green, and purple. Yay! Now let's do a super fun C activity. We're going to make a caterpillar using circles. Cut out some colorful circles, then glue them together in a line. Add some eyes and antenna. You have a cute caterpillar. You did an amazing job today. We learned all about the letter C, how to write it, words that start with the C, and we even made a cute caterpillar. You're officially a letter C champion. See you next time.